Okay, we're going to do a cold start here on the GT6. It's been sitting for probably 10 days. First of all, I'm going to pull the choke out, probably, I don't know, about an inch or so. Just a little bit. And I usually pump the gas once or twice. Turn the key and it ought to fire right up. Let it sit and run with the choke out just a little bit for, I don't know, a couple, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. Let her get warmed up a little bit. And once you put that choke in, up and ready to go, man. Tack, let's see, there's tachometer right there. That's at an idle. I'm just gonna let it run for a second or two. Because once you get this thing warmed up, then it's nothing. I mean, you don't mess with the choke. Just making sure that choke's all the way in. But once it's warmed up, I mean, it's just a turn of the key and it goes. It fires right up then. Really sounds cool when you're running down the road with this thing. Okay, I think she's probably warmed up here. I'm going to turn the key off and then just give her no choke, no anything. She fires right up. Not a problem. One more time, just for old time's sake. I'll try to get this out on the road. I'm going to need somebody else to help me video it, but there's your cold startup, whoever was asking for it, and hope that did some good. Thanks. Have a great day.